Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Phantom Wallet with debit or credit card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So what you do is you click buy in the top right, so click on buy, and then select the crypto you want, in this case, Solana. And here you want to select the amount of crypto that you want to buy, for example, 20. Phantom Wallet is going to find you the best possible price. So then you want to click on buy. It's going to take you to different websites depending on what has the best price. So you literally just click continue, just go through the payment prompts, use your credit card or debit card, and you'll be able to buy crypto with Phantom Wallet. And that's it. So that's basically how you can buy crypto on Phantom Wallet with debit or credit card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.